everyone. My name is Ekta Takrani. You don't know me? I am your teacher, Ekta Takrani. Don't get surprised by seeing my look. It has got some reason. I want to give you one message. For that only I have dressed like this. Childhood, the most beautiful phase of life. Something which once gone will never come back. It is something no money can buy. That is why it is the precious and the most beautiful phase, I said. Children, with this, I want to wish you all a very happy Children's Day. One more thing, on this special day, a small message I want to give you is childhood is so special. Like if I want to be a child today, I can only dress up like this, and that also nobody's accepting. It looks odd, right? So childhood once gone will not come back. So dear children, if you are in this stage, you are a child, just enjoy your childhood to its fullest. Don't try to be like elders, and we usually feel that elders are having more independence and they are free to do anything what they want. It's not like this. They have got more responsibilities. So if you are a child, just enjoy your childhood and try to find out your inner potential, your learning potential. You have got immense power. You can grasp as many things you want in this stage. So just live your present. Take it like a present, a beautiful gift to be unwrapped. This is the time you can learn more, achieve more, and give your best. So this is the stage you can work hard and make your future a better present, right? The future is in your hand. You can give your best today. The future will be even better, I am sure, and I wish you all the best for this. Okay, and one more thing I want to share, that dear children, you really play a very big role in our life. When I say I am a blessed teacher, I am a teacher. Who is the person playing a major role in my profession is you. You are the one who is playing the most beautiful role in my profession. You will always be remembered and you will always be loved. So just never forget that the teacher is there always with you to share your things and to help you out. God bless you, children. We really love you a lot. Dear parents, there is one more message. It's for you, for all the elders and adults who are dealing with the children, all the stakeholders, whether you are a parent or a teacher or in any way you are dealing with children. Just don't compare them with others. Don't compare your child or your student with others. They have got the different potential, and there is at their own time they will blossom. They are different flowers, with different pace they will grow. So don't compare your child with anyone. Like, we cannot grade them. We cannot judge a fish for running, or we cannot judge a rabbit for swimming. They have got their different potential, and everyone is beautiful. Everyone has got its own intelligence, its own strength. So we are not here to just mold them every time. What we have to do as a teacher and as a parent is to unfold the talent. They are filled with talent and strength. What we have to do, we have to explore that talent. We have to give them platform, love and support so that they can give their best. So just we are like a team. We can work together for the betterment of children. So let us promise ourselves that we are not going to compare them, and just we are going to felicitate them, support them, and be a platform for them so that they can give their best in their coming days. Let us promise and make this place a better place, because children are the future of the nation, as we can, or the future of the world. They are going to be the future, and we are the one can support them and bring a big change in the coming years, in the coming decades. So we are together to work for this common cause. Hello, I Ekta Takrani want to give a short message to everyone on this special day, Children's Day. They have got very special thing inside them, and we as elders, we are learning many things from them. You know, they are so innocent. We see them watching like the way they are fighting with each other like they are enemies, like the way they fight. But you know, within minutes or within an hour, how they mix up together, elders are just shocked to see this innocence. The way they forgive people and they forget things, and what they do, they move on and they never keep grudges. That is the beautiful thing we elders can learn from them, that they never keep grudges inside, that he has done and I will be doing in return like this. They are so innocent and beautiful. We should learn from them. We should learn from them to be busy all the time. They have got something to do. So we should also learn this another thing, to be busy with anything. And the third thing, like I want to learn from them, the children, they have got the might, power to demand things. What they desire, they demand with all their might, with all their strength. Like I have experienced with my daughter, like children are doing, they give their best or they use all their power to get the things they want. That we should learn, and we should give our 100% to get the things we want to achieve. That is to give your 100% in anything you do, whatever activity, fair activities, whatever activities we are doing, we should give our best to achieve the best. Children, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Just keep shining with all the qualities you have got inside you. Some are hidden, some are there, everybody knows, right? But we know there are a number of qualities you possess. So just possess these qualities all the time. Don't let anyone, don't let the negativity, no, don't let these gadgets and all this media affect your innocence. Just be like a child and never dull your sparkle. On this occasion, when the very special day, that is Diwali, is together, the festival of lights, you are the light, you know. You are the real light and the world needs you. So keep your light always alive. Once again, I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali and a happy Children's Day. Keep smiling and spread happiness. Goodbye.